Hello everybody, welcome back to Anantha Lakshmi Academy. I am Anantha Lakshmi. If you are watching my channel for the first time, my video for the first time, please do subscribe to Anantha Lakshmi Academy so that you will get notified whenever I upload a video. So far we have covered exercises, introduction for coordinate geometry, exercise 7.1, 7.2 and all the concepts that are needed for us to get started with 7.3 and 7.4 also. So I hope you guys have gone through the examples because that's what I have requested in the earlier video. So if you have already gone through the examples, then yes, we are ready to get started with the exercise problems. If you are not, please pause this video and go through the examples and come back to the video whenever you are done. So I have the second problem of exercise 7.3, the third bit of it already written on the board. The first problem is a direct application of the formula. So I'm not solving that for you. You can do it by yourself. So the third bit in second problem is here, wherein they are asking us to find the value of k for which the points are collinear. This is what I was explaining in the earlier video when we were discussing about the concept of area of triangle. Collinearity we have discussed, wherein when the points are collinear, the area of triangle is 0. That's what we need to remember. Now that you know that the area of the triangle formed with the collinear points is 0, let's get started to solve for the value of k. So let a is equal to k comma k, b is equal to 2 comma 3 and c is equal to 4 comma minus 1. We know what? We know that area of triangle formed with collinear points. Now we don't form a triangle. So we know that for collinear points, area of triangle is going to be 0. What is the area of triangle formula? Half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is going to be 0. So let us substitute the values. What is x1, y1? The point A. x2, y2 is point B. x3, y3 is point C. Right? If you want, let me just give it like this. x2, y2, x1, y1. So what is x1? K, capital K into y2 minus y3. 3 minus of minus 1 is 4 plus x2. x2 is 2 into y3 is minus 1 minus capital K plus x3 4 into y1 is capital K minus y2 is 3 is going to be 0. So half, if I send this half the other side, what happens? 2 multiplied with 0 becomes 0. So this is going to be 4k plus minus, I'm sending this 2 inside, minus 2 minus 2k plus 4k minus 4 3s are 12 is equal to 0. So 4k, this is 8k. 8k minus 2k is 6k. 6k minus 12 minus 2 minus 14, this is equal to 0, which implies k is equal to 14 by 6. If you do the cancellation with the second table, 2 7s are, 2 3s are, that implies k is going to be 7 by 3. Alright. So this is going to be 7 by 3. When the points are collinear, we need to know that the area of triangle is equal to 0. If you know that concept only, you will be able to solve this problem, else you cannot. That's the reason I always request you guys to go through the concept. You cannot directly just come to the exercise video and expect all these things to be known to you, because that's the reason I cover the concept in a separate video and then start the exercise problems. So that is about third bit in second problem. Let's jump into the next problem. Here we have the third problem written on the board. Let me read this out for you. Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints, underline, midpoints of sides of the triangle whose vertices are. Given the vertices, we need to figure out the area of the triangle formed with the vertices. No, area of the triangle formed with midpoints of these vertices, first thing. Then find the ratio of this triangle, whatever the triangle that is formed with the midpoints, to the area of the given triangle. Given triangle is nothing but the area of the triangle which is formed with this one. Alright. So let us solve this. Solution. Let us consider the points as A, B, C. A is equal to 0, -1. B is equal to 2, 1. And C is equal to 0, 3. Let me consider this as the triangle that is formed with the given vertices. Now, D, E, F. Let D, E, F be the midpoints. How do we calculate the midpoints? From the section formula, we know how to calculate the midpoint. Midpoint formula is let is already written. So, let ABC be the triangle and DEF be the triangle formed with midpoints. So, how do we calculate D, E and F? D is nothing but D is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2. Section formula, when we said the ratio, when somebody says that this is the midpoint, this divides the side into two equal halves such that the ratio m1 is to m2 becomes 1 is to 1. When the ratio is 1 is to 1, what is the formula? This is the formula, right? So, D is the midpoint of BC. So, BC is nothing but 2 plus 0 by 2, comma, 1 plus 3 by 2. 2 by 2 is 1. 4 by 2 is 2. That is D. Likewise, let us calculate E. E is the midpoint of AC. AC is nothing but 0 plus 0 by 2, comma, minus 1 plus 3 by 2. 0, comma, 1. Likewise, what is the point F? F is the midpoint of A and B. So, this is going to be 0 plus 2 by 2, comma, minus 1 plus 1 by 2. This is 1, comma, 1 minus 1 is 0. Alright. This is A. D is 1, comma 2, E is 0, comma 1 and F is 1, comma 0. Let me write them in an order like 1, comma 2, E is equal to 0, comma 1 and F is equal to 1, comma 0. Now, how do we figure out the area of the triangle formed with 3 points? We know the formula, right? Half into x1 into y2 minus y3. Let us apply the same thing. So, this is going to be x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. Alright. So, area of triangle DEF. DEF. What is the formula that we are going to apply? x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So, this is going to be the formula. So, now let us replace the same with the values. So, x1 is 1 into y2 is 1 minus y3 is 0 plus x2 0 into y3 0 minus y1 plus x3 is 1 into 2 minus 1. Alright, upon further simplification, that becomes half into 1 plus 0 into anything is 0 plus 2 minus 1 is 1 and this is going to be 1. Alright, half into 2, this is nothing but 1. The area of the triangle that is formed with the midpoints of the vertices is 1. So, area of triangle DEF is 1. Now, what is being asked? Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of sides of the vertices. Done. Find the ratio of area of this triangle to the area of the given triangle. Given triangle is the triangle that is formed with these vertices. In order to figure out the ratio, we also need to find the area of this triangle. So this is going to be area of triangle ABC. Again the formula, half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y1 minus y2, sorry, y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Let us just replace them with the values. So this is going to be our x1 y1, the first one, x2 y2 and x3 y3. Alright. So x1 is 0 into y2 minus y3. 0 into anything is 0 anyways. 2 into 3 plus 1 plus x3. Again 0 into minus 1 minus 1. 0 into anything is 0. So half into, we don't need to bother about these 0 multiplications. So leave them. 2 into, what is this? 3 plus 1, 4. So 2 into 4. 2 gets cancelled and the ratio is 4. Alright. Now find the ratio of area of this triangle to the area of the given triangle. Or the ratio is equal to, the area of this triangle is 4 and to the area of the given triangle is 1. Therefore, the ratio is 4:1. Alright. Okay, ratio of areas. Alright, that is about problem number 3. Let us look at the next problem. So here we have the fifth problem written on the board. So find the area of the triangle formed by the points by using Heron's formula. Alright, so let us consider the points to be A, B, C. A is 2, 3, B is 6, 3, C is 2, 6. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. If you have gone through the concept video wherein I was mentioning, if you have a point like A, B, C, this is going to be A, B, C, and Heron's formula. What is the Heron's formula? To calculate the area, area is equal to under root of S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, where S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. But what is A? The distance BC or the length of BC. How do we calculate A? A is equal to BC is equal to, we have the first exercise distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is what we are going to apply in order to figure out the lengths. Alright. So this is going to be BC, right? BC, x2 minus x1, 2 minus 6 whole square plus 6 minus 3 whole square. 2 minus 6 is 4. 4 square is 16 plus 6 minus 3 is 9. This is nothing but under root of 25, which is 5. So B is equal to CA is equal to under root of C and A. Okay. So this is going to be 2 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 6 whole square. That is nothing but 3 minus 6 is minus 3 whole square, that is 3. Okay. C is equal to, AB is equal to x2 minus x1, 6 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 3. That is going to be 4 square plus 3 minus 3 is 0. So this is going to be 4. Now how do we figure out S? S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2, which is 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 5 is 12 by 2. 12 by 2 is nothing but 6. Now that given S value, area of triangle is this formula, right? Now let us write the same formula here. Area is equal to, you better write the formula. I am just replacing the values. 6 into 6 minus A is 5, comma 6 minus B is 3 and 6 minus 4. C is 4, right? So that is nothing but 6 into 6 minus 5, 1 into 6 minus 3 is 3 and 6 minus 4, 2. So this is nothing but 3 2s is 6. 6 into 6 is 6 square, and the area of the triangle is also equal to 6 square units. Alright, that is about exercise 7.3 fifth problem, and this is the last problem in this exercise. We will be solving, we have already covered the concept of the slope. I hope you have gone through that video, and if you have already gone through the example, please continue this video. If not, please go through the examples and then unpause this video, because I am going to cover exercise 7.4 problems in this video itself. Alright. So here we have the exercise 7.4 problems written on the board. This is just a simple formula of slope wherein you have to substitute the values. I picked up whatever the ones which you may feel difficult. First one, fifth one and seventh one. There are just 8 bits, out of which I will be solving 3 for you. Alright. So from the first point, the second one, the second bit, slope, they are asking us to find the slope of the line passing through the given 2 points. Slope is nothing but change in y by change in x, which is nothing but y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So here if you consider this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2, this is going to be 3 minus 0 by root 3 minus 0. 3 by root 3. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 by root 3. So root 3 can cancel. This is going to be root 3. Alright. Now here fifth problem. Let me solve the fifth problem for you. So slope is equal to slope of the line AB. Slope of the line AB is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 is 1.3, minus into minus 3.7 is plus 3.7, by x2 is minus 2.4, minus into minus is plus 1.4. So this is 7 and 3 is 10, 3, 4, 5 by minus 2.4 plus 1.4 is minus 1. So this is going to be minus 5. Slope of the line AB for the fifth bit is minus 5. Now for the last problem, which is seventh problem, slope of line AB is equal to, even before that we need to solve A to be like mixed fraction, right? We need to convert it into improper fraction. 2 3s is 6, minus 7 by 2 comma 3, and B is minus 7 comma 2 to 4, 5 by 2. Okay, slope of the line AB is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So this becomes 5 by 2 minus y1 is 3 by x2 minus x1, that is minus 7 plus 7 by 2. Alright, now 5 by 2 minus 3 is, okay, if you consider the LCM, 5 minus 6 by 2 by minus 14 plus 7 by 2. 2 gets cancelled, 5 minus 6 is minus 1 by minus 7. So this becomes minus gets cancelled. 1 by 7 is the answer. Alright, that is about exercise 7.4 problems 2, 5 and 7. So with this we are closing the chapter number 7 of SSC 10th class mathematics. That way we are closing coordinate geometry. In the next video I will be coming up with one more new chapter, which may be tangents and secants to a circle. So even before that, so if you like this content and my explanation you are able to understand, please do like, share and subscribe to Anantha Lakshmi Academy. So in the next video we'll be starting the new chapter. Till then, keep watching Anantha Lakshmi Academy. Thank you.